Vowel harmony in pronouns. This lesson is on some pronouns that need to harmonize with their verbs. There are 8 vowels in Igbo language. They are A, E, I, E, O, R, U, O. The 8 vowels are divided into 2 groups, the light group and the heavy group, or you can say the R group and the A group. As you can see, the R group has IOU. The A group has IOU too, but for the R group, the I has additional dots, the O has a dot, and the U has a dot, while the A group, the IOU are plain. So what vowel harmony means is that in Igbo, the vowels from the light group do not mix with the vowels from the heavy group. They are used separately, as you will see later. The following single letter pronouns need to harmonize with their verbs. So we have E and A. E and A are the same pronoun. They mean you. The question here is, when do you use E and when do you use A? The choice of which to use will depend on their verbs, as I will show you later. We also have O and O. O and O are the same pronoun. They mean he or she or it. The choice of whether to use O or O will depend on the verb, as I will show you later. The final pronoun that need to harmonize with their verb is A and A. A and A are the same pronoun. They mean the same thing. So they are impersonal pronouns. When they are translated to English, they are translated in passive voices. Igere ntị, you listened. So here gere, which is the verb for listen, has heavy vowels. So naturally it will go with heavy pronoun I. So you have igere ntị, you listened. Same with ijere akwụkwọ, you went to school. Ịgara akwụkwọ, you went to school. So gara is a dialectical variant of jere. They mean the same thing. The only difference is gara as a verb has vowels from the light group, so it has a. So it will go with light pronoun e gara akwụkwọ. Same with e jụrụ ajụjụ, you asked a question. E jụrụ ajụjụ. O gere ntị, he listened. O and R are the pronouns for he. The choice of whether to use O or R will depend on the vowels of the verb for the pronoun O. So here we have O gere ntị. Gere is the verb for listen, and gere has heavy vowels, so it has to go with heavy pronouns. O gere ntị. Same thing with O jere akwụkwọ, he went to school. Je is from the A group, so it has to go with heavy vowel. O jere akwụkwọ. Ọ gara akwụkwọ. A is from the R group, the light group, so it has to go with light pronoun for he. Ọ gara akwụkwọ. He went to school. Ọ jụrụ ajụjụ. He asked a question. Jụ o is from the light group, so it goes with a light pronoun. Ọ jụrụ ajụjụ. A gwara ya ka ọ bịa. He was told to come. So as you can see, the impersonal pronoun a has been translated to passive voice in English. He was told to come. When you translate this ogwara yaka obia word to word, it will be a told him that he should come. A told him that he should come. The a could be he, it could be she, it could be they, it could be me, but a is impersonal, so it's not specifying who. So it's just saying a told him that he should come. That is why it's translated to passive voice in English as he was told to come. So gwa, agwara, gwa, a is from the a group, the light group, so it has to go with a light impersonal pronoun a, not a. Ajụrụ ya ajụjụ. He was asked a question. Ajụ is light, so it goes with a, which is also light pronoun. Ajụrụ ya ajụjụ. He was asked a question. Egotere ya akwa. Cloth was bought for him. Go is the verb for buy. Go, buy, go, and it has o, the heavy o, so it has to go with a heavy impersonal pronoun. Egotere ya akwa. A bought cloth for him. So we don't know who the A is. A is impersonal. It could be me, so I bought cloth for him. It could be she, it could be they, it could be whatever other pronoun, but in Igbo, the impersonal pronoun is just there to make it impersonal. So, egotere ya akwa. Cloth was bought for him. Ebere ya ego. It is discounted. Bere is to discount or to cut or to reduce. So, be, a, it has the a heavy sound from the a group. A, so it has to go with a heavy impersonal pronoun. Also a, so both of them are a. Bere ya ego. Okay? Thank you for watching. Gordon.